Hey, what's up, guys? I've been making these skateboard lamps for the past few months, and I really like the way they turn out, so I thought I'd show you my version of how I put these together. It's pretty simple. I did it after after work on an evening, so it doesn't take too long. Just need some basic electrical knowledge and put a few parts together. They're pretty cool, and yeah, have a look, check it out. So there's a lot going on in this video that you guys can see. But with a little bit of ingenuity and some basic hand tools, you guys could have yourselves a cool skateboard lamp. Get out there and make something cool. Be creative. Here we go. Moment of truth. The fun part. Is it gonna work? Aha, cool. I like the vintage lights. It adds a cool touch to it. Thanks for watching, guys.